Hola Gringos and Gringos. Welcome to Gringos Are Us, expats with a plan. I'm Mark, flying without Gina right now because this is something we really want to talk to you about. Coming up next. Welcome back. What I want to talk to you about right now is one little thing that all of us need to take care of because it's important to each and every one of us. Last year we had 3 people that died at the Sandals Resort in the Bahamas. Then last fall we had 3 more Americans that tragically died in Mexico City. And then just a couple of weeks ago we had 2 more that passed away at a Hyatt Regency Resort in Cabo San Lucas, all due to this silent killer, carbon monoxide. We addressed this last year, the 10 gadgets that we needed to bring to Mexico, and one of those was this device right here. This is a combination smoke detector, carbon monoxide alarm. We carry it with us because we're in these Airbnbs. The 3 young Americans tragically died in Mexico City. We're in an Airbnb. If they'd have had one of these, maybe they would still be with us today. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It doesn't cost a lot of money. This little device cost us about $17 on Amazon for the combination of the 2. Now, granted, it's a smoke detector and I can set it off, but it will set off and give us a great alarm in case of carbon monoxide leak. So at least we've got an opportunity to get out and still live. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It doesn't cost you a lot of money, and it gives you a great peace of mind. Whether you're coming down here to live and do Airbnbs, if you're going to buy a house, if you're just going to a resort, get yourself one of these, put it in your suitcase, and have that peace of mind so we know that we got you around so you can keep watching all of our fun videos instead of the videos like this. Doesn't take a lot, but it could save your life. We appreciate you taking the time to watch us. Hope this helps. Look forward to the fun ones that are coming up. And as always, we are Gringos Are Us, expats with a plan. We are doing it. You can too. Here's some other videos that you might want to watch. Adios.